Kotlin is a modern statically typed programming language designed to make developers more productive. It was created by JetBrains as a cleaner, safer, and more concise alternative to Java. Like Java, Kotlin runs on the Java virtual machine, which means it can use existing Java libraries and frameworks. But unlike Java, it removes a lot of unnecessary code that developers have complained about for years. Kotlin was first announced in 2011 and the first stable release arrived in 2016. Interestingly, the language gets its name from the Kotlin island located near Russia. And in 2021, Kotlin even received its own mascot, although it still isn't officially have a name. One of Kotlin's biggest advantages is seamless interoperability with Java. Developers don't have to rewrite entire projects to start using Kotlin. Instead, they can gradually introduce Kotlin into existing Java applications, making migration smooth and practical. Kotlin isn't limited to the JVM either. It can also compile to JavaScript and native machine code, allowing developers to build applications for multiple platforms using the same language. The biggest impact in Android development has ever seen. Another feature that developers love is Coroutines. Coroutines provide a simple and efficient way to handle asynchronous tasks without the complexity of traditional threading, making it especially useful for mobile apps. Getting started with Kotlin is really simple. Create a file with the .kt extension and open it in IDE such as IntelliJ IDEA, which is also developed by JetBrains. Inside the file, define a main function using the fun keyword. This function acts as an entry point of your program. Variables can be declared using the var keyword for mutable values or val for read-only values. Kotlin automatically infers the type in many cases, but you can also specify it explicitly when needed. One of Kotlin's standout features is null safety. Variables cannot hold null values unless you explicitly allows it to using a question mark after the type. You can also print output using println, and unlike Java, semicolons are usually optional. Kotlin supports object-oriented programming, but it also embraces functional programming concepts. It also introduces powerful features like extension function, which allows you to add new functionality to existing Java classes without inheritance. To reduce repetitive code, Kotlin provides data classes that automatically generates common methods such as constructor, equals, hash code, and toString. It also supports destructuring, allowing you to extract objects variously. And ladies and gentlemen, that's Kotlin, one of the most popular choices for Android development today.